Good morning, Akava.
Good morning. Thank you. Before headset and Shemitiana.
Aye.
Good morning.
Odo broni net is saying.
Passion hoye na ho tse.
Me wo ye. You don't want to miss this on Facebook. Tune in and watch maybe na wo hu that opportunity in here. Conversation never having no. It will make you feel so Canada because it will be so nice. And no uncomfortable thing will happen here. Those questions say then whatever. People. Odo broni Andrea. Andrea, yeah.
Yes.
Your name is beautiful.
Thank you.
Within fatal.
Thank you. My head shy kakra. People don't know I'm really a shy person.
Which is nice.
Yeah.
It's nice to be shy.
Yeah, it's nice to be shy sometimes.
And I'm also a fair.
Thank you.
You get that a lot, my boy.
I do. I do.
And I can say, hey, if you don't want fair.
Oh.
If you don't know the name Efia Odo.
Honestly, me back Ghana na me decide in my home because already been a Friday born a family Efia. But I don't know me na me the mama home because like I honestly love people like me do be I treat people equally. So yeah, president or so yeah, be I collected garbage or say like I just have a lot of love for people. So I gave myself that Efia Odo name and it fits and it's here to stay.
So who's idea?
Yeah.
And I say I say unique. Ne bi ni ho.
Yeah.
Into I think say we are creative so me
Yes, I'm very creative. My creativity who 2% impo. Me start you.
Because I no dear because I know any creativity no.
No, this one is like it's
yeah, the proper aquarium.
Yes, yeah, the proper aquarium. Thank you. With the proper aquarium.
You guys aren't ready yet.
You're not ready. You're not ready at all.
And you know, and you know my favorite part of you for now because it said no, it has to come and stay.
Yes.
I was at Vodafone Music Awards near the end. I was nominated.
Yes.
Because I need a banger.
Even this song come we come single where just introduction like me and
Okay.
And I wrote this song 3 years ago.
Oh wow.
Yes, I've been recording and working on finding my voice and my sound for the past 3 years now. I started working with Kwame Abua. Yes, but he produced Kojo albums and Craig David. Yes. So, I'm messaging me say, like do music. I'm like, oh, I already actually like. My dream is to be but not many push. And see, I'm messaging me now from there. I started going to his studio and all church me like sounds and finding your voice and all those things. So for the past 3 years, I made started to say, focus on the music part of me. But obviously, now low key, will be any.
There will be any.
No.
In say to see another person, you know, and no him here find your home.
Minim shape, but me see and be.
But 3 years ago, I think say unim.
Oh yeah, yes. Now, yes, definitely. My voice, even the sound that I'm starting of now is different. This song I'm trying 3 years. If you hear the songs I'm doing now, blow your mind.
We can't wait to.
Yes.
Because you know never say see and dear. I think
say mid. And yes, it's mid. It's mid for me.
Sir,
from 1 to 10, I give it a 4.
And I mean, put me man the best 7. No.
Oh, really? Thank you.
And they said, "Dear, my band, dear, me coming to me, Janano."
Me say that my official single on it, dear. It's a beautiful song. It's a beautiful song, and normally, honestly, me trying to come, it takes me 20 minutes. As long as I have the beat, I have the vibe, and I have the time, I write the song.
Let's say, can you tell me the Ali Muhammad, my boy?
Hey, macho.
They be said you trade the next onium no a bar, punch.
Well, I don't know.
Next one you windy.
Mr. Hoodie.
And I make a punching
but like how? Like I'm not trying to step on anybody's toes.
No,
okay.
No,
okay.
Tell me say me a sports journalist.
Yes.
Men and me come say, "Want me sports journalist 5 for how we me."
Okay.
That doesn't mean say I'm being disrespectful to anybody, but me appreciate me before anybody else appreciates me.
Right.
And then people say, "Yeah, banyum to mu de na say, Efia Odo, we Ali Muhammad, e wa onyum to mu. O punches na ye heavy."
Yes.
And
yes.
Mike Tyson.
Yes. Leila Ali.
Into then they inspire us all by you.
Honestly, Ghana, I started hanging out, being around a lot of musicians.
Aye.
First, I'm in R2Bs, QBs, but I'm from there, King Promise, and then whatsoever. But then, so, like, something just came into me. It's like, I have an ear for music. Even some songs, I blew up some songs. Stay Woke by Darker Vibes. I blew up that song. This guy, I forgot his name. He has this song. I forgot the song. Like, I have a good ear for music. I have a good ear for like beats and sounds and writing. So I said, why don't I just try it? And see, for like from 2016, I started playing around with sounds and beats and writing and all those things. So even now, no company, me Matis baby me team. Now my voice notes, so I don't forget it. So like it's just something I feel like it's in me, and it's now coming out. Honestly, no matter no, it's all for this point of my life right now. Honestly,
and to pay off.
Definitely.
Because the one shot I never know when to start.
Exactly. And I feel like I'm so talented. Like, I can tell you the me limit me who.
And then I'm American.
Yeah.
And I'm person by Jatu.
Majatu.
Majatu. Confidence in because I am matched.
Yeah. Thank you.
So what I say?
Yeah. I'm the mommy. The mama me home. I'm mommy home.
And I was out me using a year.
Yes.
Because what's now has made a movie. What's now has made a presenter. What's now how I say I want to do music now. In terms of year be uncover new talent.
Yes, honestly, every year me uncover something about myself. Who knows? Next time I go to law school, like you just never know. Honestly, like I said, I don't limit myself. No. And so me demand drink at 2 and I will never let nothing stop me from doing it. If right now I'm a pilot, I'll go to whatever school, aviation school, whatever I have to do. I'll do it. I'll be. Oh, last week I messaged you. I want to do DJ. I swear I was saying it. I can do everything. Oh,
and I make us say, "What your confidence in it?" Because shall say bag and now shall say, who Efia Odo no. Now go for count once a man could be and can be can share or besro. But look at you now.
Exactly.
On for bia
for what? I'm gonna try my bills, baby. I'm gonna make you an indie. I'm gonna try me. I'm gonna cuddle me. I would do my moon so me.
I'm on your blanket.
I'm on your blanket. I'm on your pillow. Me so more fatish you am
the opposite again no.
And I'm with God, all things are possible. I don't play with God. I don't play with my spiritual life either. Yeah.
Which is very necessary.
Very necessary.
No matter who you are, you made the also no.
Exactly.
Because in the so in our Onua about 10 to me boy.
Exactly.
What is the weirdest thing a fan has done for you? Weirdest, like, hey, really?
The weirdest thing a fan has done. Hey God, I don't know if I can say this on air. I actually dated a fan. I didn't know he was a stalker. Yes, it was like 7 years ago or 6 years ago. A friend of John, London. This guy. It brings back really bad memories. Like, you know, what's me Shobi? Only Kasa, you guys are vibing, but then you discover something and you don't really know. Like, it's like, this guy, is this who you really are? Like, I don't know who I was dating the whole time. For like a good 7 months, this guy was lying about having kids. He would go and take people's kids and post it on his Snapchat like, hey, Oniba.
But no,
Oniba.
That no be sir.
Exactly. Like, he did so many weird things. It's like, John, really? So it was my best friend who told me to go and message the so-called baby baba. So I messaged the girl. I'm like, hi, my name is Andrea. I've been dating John for some weeks now, but I don't want to mess up a happy home. So I know you guys have a kid. So I'm sending a picture, and I'm sending John picture. I said, there's my child, but who is this guy?
The movie.
I was like, what? You don't know John? I said, no. Who is this guy? How do you have my daughter's pictures? John is so weird. But most of the time, my fans, they just really show me love. Like, they don't do a lot of weird things. They show me a lot of love.
Or a stalker. I think say or the banner bem because if you are not doing open him into a den bar, you love him more.
But that was so dumb because it doesn't matter if you have kids or you don't have kids. I will love you regardless. But he lied about everything. 1 minute, or you're a soccer player. Next minute, or you're a nurse. Next minute, or you're a teacher. Next minute, he works in a law firm. Hey, John, or to me, continue to be office. Masha suits.
Watch a picture.
This is a real life thing I'm talking about. My best friend can attest to this. It's even she's the reason why I even was able to break up with John. Even after I found out that Obuado, he was still lying. Say, want to make my no more issues in tea. He doesn't want me to claim the child. I said, wow, John, really? I even found the real baby father. Yes. Like, it was really crazy.
And on him say, what makes it funny is, and for your mom is just to be in a relationship.
Wait, dear, I'll go for me, man. It was too much.
Then I'll show a brabum. Then I'll show say a toa. Like, after that, no.
If I tell you this, you won't take me serious.
Oh, it's okay. We are not having a serious conversation anyway.
Okay, I'm really, like, one of my greatest fears is to gain weight.
To gain weight?
Yes.
I didn't tell.
When I'm not the weight I want to be, it makes me uncomfortable. I can't wear certain clothes. I can't feel confident like how I normally do. So that's why I have a very, very strict diet. When I eat only seafood. Oh, say medi fufu every day. No. Medi fufu once every 6 months be. I can even go 2 years without eating fufu. But I'm more on like body and PC and those things. So like my greatest fear is to gain weight. Because I always want to feel confident and sexy. And then my figure is slim thick. So when I'm not in that lane of my weight, it makes me very uncomfortable.
Are you trying to say that they are not confident in their bodies?
Oh, tell your bodies, your size, What I say? You have to always be confident whatever size you are. But from me, I don't feel confident when I'm not the size I want to be. So be one day or person or yeah, like everybody has how they want to be in life. If I'm not this way, like if my hair is not this way, if my face is not this way, if my body is not this way, I don't feel confident. Maybe if my hair is not done, maybe in PR 95.1. Yeah, if my hair, I went to do my hair last night because I was coming on radio today. I changed my hair yesterday. I switch up. So that's all part of what builds my confidence. Me looking good, it's honestly what makes me confident.
And then if I be free, you don't come outside.
No.
How can if you're not looking your best, you shouldn't step out.
No, for what? Why? You never know who will see you. Hey, now your enemies will be watching you. Hey, say I can't know you from po. Yeah, like, you gotta see me looking good all the time. Picture. Yeah, no, my Sunday blogs. No. You gotta see me looking good all the time. Even if I have a sex tape coming out, I gotta look good. I gotta look good. I'm sorry.
No matter the situation.
No matter the situation, you cannot catch me slipping. Never. Hey.
In 2% you're superstar, superstar celebrating us with time. You're not there yet.
Oh, don't be how? Hey, how? Have you seen Beyonce looking bad before? No. That's who I look up to. So.
Let's take note. Why? More for penny paper. Ain't be free and ne. My hairstylist, Mr. Try me get it. I know. Then we try. I know she cry. She went to do her hair because she was coming on radio today.
Yes.
Can you imagine? Mm-hmm. Now what to say if you don't know Bia? Only know okay can honor say I really see you. And then I will really
get into the bag, get into the money. Period.
DJ about my okay. No, better offer more.
Of course. Why not? Oh yeah.
DJ Patwa, you ready? All right.
Yeah. Into the O, but I act like you know. I'm getting to the bag. They got my moves trying to do what I do. I got these chicks mad. I'm getting to the bag. They watch the E-News trying to do what I do. I got these chicks mad. The sound say yo there. Okay, no, I'm ex. I'm trying to say yo fair. Say your fair, the sound say your there. Okay, no, I'm ex. I'm trying to say your fair. Say your fair. 5, 6, brown eyes, brown skin, thick lips, thick thighs, nigga dip, low nip slip, make it dick wet. Can't step to me with that Avon. I'm a real chick, I don't play mine. Strong white, no rope sign. I thought I broke big sense. They love my style, but they stay fine. Make train my home, but I just step on them. Yeah, commented, I just step on them. Drop in out of rap. BK race me, GH to death. Drop in the house. Don't play with dropping 4. Brooklyn 4. I'm getting to the bag. They got my moves trying to do what I do. I got these chicks mad. I'm getting to the bag. They watch the E-News trying to do what I do. I got these chicks mad. The sound say yo there. Okay, no, I'm ex. I'm trying to say yo fair. The sound say yo there. Okay, no, I'm ex. I'm trying to say yo fair. I told you don't play around. I told you don't play around. It's E to the O. You better act like you know.
You wanna act like I ain't about it.
Come on.
Like I ain't been to Ghana. Got it. You know I bought that. You know.
I started this. I started everything. All the bad bitch shit. I started it. Colored hair, everything. Being confident. Maybe back, I don't be in bikini. Almost true. If you don't be, I'm going to step it out. I'm going to use my legs, my thighs. One kind, I'm yeah. I'm started trying to know.
Colored hair,
Colored
bikini.
hair. Yeah, who was doing that? Nobody.
See-through ntade no.
I mean, started. Oh my God,
And I call for a bad ma fo.
I feel more, yeah.
Well, I'm going to end the case.
I mean, it's more. Yo, yes, dear. Your idea, why, sister? Now, one day, we baby.
And then you say your mouth. What I said, the only be a year next time, we'll say, Obi ya crowd, or yacha 1 hour chassis.
Exactly.
Oh, Facebook for your messages.
I want today.
I want today.
It's kind of way.
I'm a dog.
I love you guys too.
Oh, you're one of the biggest fans of Kosiata.
I was.
And then I'm lost in the news.
Very lost.
I don't know was. You want to talk about it? If you're comfortable, we talk about it. If
I was a fan. No, I'm not a fan anymore.
I didn't know debut. And as you said, the oboe on your debut.
No, you're mad. I'm still at it.
I don't know was. He was in Kenya. He was.
Oh.
What happened?
Nothing.
We're having a normal conversation. Nothing uncomfortable.
Oh, think you're slick. You're not slick. You. Also, they actually baby I want him. Baby I be trim. No, I be trim. Except for the word of God.
Into Odo Makosi art and the personality in your no.
I like his music, yes,
But not his personality anymore. Because once a fan, always a fan. And
not really once a fan, always a fan. Sometimes some people can do things that to me turn off. Then it's like, okay, like I can't really be a fan of this guy anymore. Like even, yeah, let's not talk about that. Yeah, so I was a fan of him, his music. I'm still a fan of his music, but not the biggest fan.
Anymore.
Yeah.
Anka, first now you're biggest fan no. Anka you tattoo and say make wow regret na.
Of course. By the time my ex Rev, I had a tattoo, but I covered it with a feather.
And I didn't cry to so no. Na near friend is ex no.
Okay, Rev, I'm Rev Lo, let me post yes. Yes.
Kwaku Rev Lo. Yes.
I wrote his name and I wrote the month and the year we were dating. 2 weeks later we broke up. I swear to God.
And now what done do?
Yeah. Nipo, Abuo, Adwuma, like anything I do, no, I put my 1,000% inside. When I'm down for Kwampa, I give you the utmost amount of love. Adwuma music I make, I put a lot of love inside. And so if I'm dating you, dear, I treat you like a king. I cook for you. I'll do a pedicure for you. Like I treat you like my everything. So yeah, I really love them. And everybody, I'm in the bishana. My man Odo baby. Efia Odo, how can I be of Odo and I don't give you Odo?
Yeah, no correct. Until I see say obe date na bedrow bi tattoo at on someone for din or Bible mu. Into no journal the quotation.
Exactly. But you can always put it like look, you can't even see his name.
One kakran coming kai but
yeah, you won't even see his name.
And they all cook on
This one is Arbak. It means I love you in Arabic.
Oh, okay. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Indeed, you are confident. Can you confident? It's count to me and fan to cry
exactly.
for people to see.
Exactly. It means so
Hey, how many tattoos do you have?
I think I just got one 3 days ago, 2 on my back. I have I think 10 now, but I'm gonna get more. Mechi. So you wanna see it?
Aye, we want to see
hold on.
it.
Shall I turn it? Okay, let me turn it.
Me quiet tattoo. Why was from? Oh, this is fresh.
Yeah, it's very fresh.
95.1.
And it's beautiful. Please, are you seeing what we are saying? Those on Facebook.
So like a rose and then eyes and lips and it's like blood on the like thorns and blood.
Yes. The baby in Hawaii. Ebi wo ho.
I know, Jamaica. Yeah, this one means like there's pain and beauty.
Yes.
Yes. So
beauty hurts.
Beauty hurts. Yeah. Like,
but when you want him tattoo,
no,
because when
no,
they shouldn't touch your face.
No, I won't do any tattoo. But I have one on my neck. I don't be dropping Sarah. I'm mommy ding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, body they are fine, but for to me pet tattoo, but dot tattoo.
Yeah.
And then they start getting it on their faces.
Yeah.
No, so it's showing on the screen. Yeah, tattoo.
It's showing.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's beautiful. Say they see what I can.
Oh, thank you.
And for edge our messages on Facebook.
What's that?
Hey, Bedford, or say ask her of Kosiata. She just said it. So I don't know what is that. We won't ask questions the person is not comfortable in.
Oh, I'm comfortable. Like honestly, you hear everything.
Between you Kwasiata.
Me and Kwasi, me and Chatawale, me and everybody, all my friends, everything I go through in life. No, you see everything in my music. I think my next single is not about Kwasi. I think my third or my fourth single is actually about me and Kwasi, our friendship and everything and stuff like that. So.
Oh, but don't know to the extent that Konya and Kabe Tiana and Andrew.
Listen to my music. The next song you see if anything like that happened. But like me penasem, honestly, like me penasem pa.
The doesn't end.
I love his family. I'm very cool with his brothers. Like yeah, I really had like a lot of love for him.
Wow.
Yeah, but I don't play with my loyalty. You know, me obia. And when it's not reciprocated.
I said, we'll throw away energy.
Yeah.
It's not worth it.
Well, it's not worth it. Why should I give my energy to somebody who won't give me the same energy back?
You receive the same energy.
Charlie, that's it. That's the energy now. I mean, no, one for the same energy I'm bad. I mean, no, nah, I'm not dealing with it. Honestly. Yeah. I'm not dealing with it at all.
Okay. No
problem. I'm afraid I'm promoting. Hey, promotion.
Annie. It is you hear Twitter, you hear Instagram. Are you on Facebook?
I'm on Facebook, yes.
Then your favorite?
Snapchat.
Yes. Make us a Twitter.
No, I mean, no, Twitter, no. Twitter is funny sometimes, but I really love Snapchat. Snapchat, I think I get most love on my Snap. Yeah. And I even get like at least, I get 1 million views on my Snap, 500,000. I get a lot of views on my Snap. So like Snapchat is my favorite place because it's more personal. Like
your daily life.
Exactly. I'm to me who they are. So like now I'm radio, they see everything that's going on. Like I love Snapchat.
Internet, can maybe I said about 5 Twitter influencers, but I think you can't.
Oh, okay. I can. Kali J. Pesem president. Oh, what's his name? Mempasem president. Sika official. Men can Ghana use you. Ghana use no influential. No. Oh no, oh, I honestly just know. I think Kali J. Mempasem Sika official. Oh, already. Mommy hint. Kojo Sheldon. I love Kojo Sheldon. Although we had a lot of banter, but he's really good at what he does. Like, I'm really proud of where he is now. One more. Who else? Please, meaning they all come. Man, platform. He doesn't deserve it. Please, no negative energy.
No.
Zongo.
So,
Member. Yeah,
fans who.
Energy.
David. No bad energy.
Bad energy. Stay away from me, please.
What did I say? I'm having fun. This conversation is going well.
Thank you. I'm having fun too.
So what I say? It was next song about Enche.
The ending of the beginning of February.
And I say Efia Odo, December shows never ban. You are likely to be on the shows.
If God willing and they actually taking me serious because also if I going to meeting if it also I said what I say but me no
and you're going to
meeting
because Hamuna Aja for real so
yes
but she says she's serious with it
yes
Susanna also very serious
exactly
with it.
I've been serious I was doing music before Mona obviously she even knew I even told her like and she loved it and everything so like Charlie, I used to go to the studio every day. Kwame Abua, he lives very far. It's an hour drive every day, back and forth. I go to the studio every day. 2 days ago, I was in the studio. Before I make a studio, I call OKFM.
Hard work and dedication.
I have a lot of passion for the music I'm doing, and yeah, I'm going to meet.
Like, you see, I want to open sell any your collaborations.
Exactly.
If you write any song.
If I write any song, honestly, I'm not really thinking of collaborations right now. Like, but I'm no problem. But like. Like collaboration so crazy, but I wouldn't mind working with Jackie. Like Jackie's voice is so beautiful, so soothing, and she's so talented. She's an amazing songwriter. Thames, Ira Star, Stoneboy. I'm really a huge fan of Stoneboy and his music. Sarkodie, Black Sharif. Okay, I'm lying. Black Sharif I would love to collaborate with. Who else in Ghana? Hey, I can make video serious. Coffee tea, no Borski, no KK Fusu. Like I'm an old school girl. Me, I love old school music, so I would love to work with all the old school artists. That's if they're willing and up to. It doesn't have to be for
everybody will be
serious.
willing to work with you. Obia.
Really? You think so?
Obia. Because why you or movie industry no. And I will say they now see born modern. Everybody love to put you in their movies.
Yeah.
Into me, sure say maybe I'll be CBano. Obia welcome because we are lively.
Thank you.
Na they be serious.
Yes.
And in me when they say even that the lumber crowd or interview here because I know about your
I mean, I even wrote one time on my Snapchat when I was working at Quetta TV. I said, Daddy Luma and Papa. But he's Daddy Luma, he's everybody's daddy. And I'm a fan of serious. I said, hey, Efia Odo, so Daddy Luma is really your dad? Wow, my God. I said, no, I was just joking. But like, Daddy Luma, yeah, I play him every day. I play him every day. I sounded like, I was like, yes, Daddy Lumba, that's how you start the show. Come on. I love Daddy Lumba. I have so many favorite songs, but one of my favorite songs from Daddy Lumba is Asiaho. And then I love that song.
Radio or TV. A movie. And outside politics now.
Hey, politics. My intentions, I didn't have intentions that may rap politics more. What do I say? Like, Yanum certificate in ye, yan in them na yen coffee, and then no me new day, obi bomb my MBA, a soft food my MBA, malum boom my MBA, photo brame, photo sham. I see our hey, I love that song. Go.
Hey, GH boy.
Hey, I say, and the big boy, I special.
Onua.
I see I want man. I see I want man. I see I want man. Ching. Marriage certificate in ye. Yen na yen coffee. And then you win you day. Oh, people my MBA. I saw food with my MBA. Malam my MBA. Odo brand, Odo shame. I see I shame. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. I love this song so much. Any pony names me Bohano. Hey,
and they pony.
Hey, pony. Oh, pony. At this time.
Hey, GH boy, crash on Efia Odo.
Wow. Hey.
I don't quite know at this time.
At this time.
Why am I pony?
But you am pony. Why?
There be a
pony.
Yeah, politics is here.
Politics. Hey, politics.
Fix the country. Me who when I say Efia Odo, the way they were van in my dear.
Eh, I'm bet me.
I'm do see Mukano. The then the man will say, inspire yourself so you fix the country.
The thing is, we all complain about things that's going on in the country, whether it's bad roads, whether it's lack of hospital beds, whether like our educational section, our health sector, we complain all the time. So, Khalid J, one of the I think he's the top, influencers. So he started the Fix the Country thing, and I was like, okay, I actually agree with everything he's saying. So why not also support it? And that's how it started. I didn't want it to go as far as it did, as political as it got. But then our livelihood is political, is it not?
It is.
But like it's political.
Yeah.
So I didn't have intentions that I'm bashing the government and the crown maker. I wasn't disrespecting anybody. I wasn't insulting anybody. I was just speaking the truth. Whether it's NDC or MPP, the country needs to be fixed.
What I say?
That's what it is. If NDC comes into power, and they're not doing what they're supposed to do, I will embark on Fix the Country again, but in a different direction. Debbie, it was too dangerous. It was too dangerous, honestly. It was too dangerers. Like, it got to a point, I mean, or from Sano, soon say, if you're Ghana politics, like, although you have freedom of speech, but it's very dangerous. They can kill you. And it's true because I was getting threats. I was getting a lot of threats from my Facebook, Telegram. I was getting calls. They even leaked my number. To me, so my phone would just buzz and go from back to back, different kinds of messages. No, because it's something I wanted to do. I wanted to talk about what's going on. I wanted to help the people. I wanted to be a voice for the voiceless. What did I say? And I had the platform where BBC even came to interview me and everything. So it was going far. It was going in a great direction until like it started getting bloody and people were dying. And then I didn't want those things to happen. So now, no, I feel like, okay, fix the country, no. Why don't I use my NGO to try and collaborate with other NGOs and try and bring changes the little way that I can? And that's just how I want to move forward with it, with my Odonti Foundation. No. You know, if I have to bring water to rural communities, if I'm providing, I guess, essential things for students,
yes,
if I can provide, yes, that's the little thing that I can do to try and help fix the country. But, well, I won't say BM because in the future you never know. But I would need security and a lot of money. Because even when these people go on campaigns, and any security. So how much more? I'm also doing a campaign for the betterment of the country. So I will also need security and also
necessary because they are boss.
Oh, sister. Oh, many balcony. Oh. My mom said the country is not worth dying for. I mean, honestly, it's not worth, because if I die today, tomorrow the same thing will happen.
And then
exactly. Who hasn't died? Kwame Nkrumah have died. How much more me? But I feel like the youth has to take things a bit more serious. The youth we have to speak up and also educate ourselves on the things that we feel like needs to be fixed. You know, we say fix the country, fix the, okay, what particularly do we need to be fixed? We have to have like a certain standpoint that we stand on, like, okay, this is what we need to be fixed. Amendments of the Constitution, you know what I'm saying? Without education, you don't even know what you're talking about. So we also have to educate ourselves on the things of the country so we can actually speak up and be confident in our voices.
So that was I'm talking with passion.
I have passion. I mean, I care about people who like me who brought too much money. Like me who people acquire and I'm thinking, how did this person get to this stage? Like, what happened? How can I help people who are on the floor? Money, like they have no limbs. I want to see how I can bring wheelchairs to them. Like, I really have passion for people. Me, I wish I was a billionaire. Like I'm Sisi schools, like I'm Sisi hospitals, like I'm Sisi like.
What makes you smile?
Seeing people happy, honestly. Like, if I can make someone happy, it really makes me smile. Although, honestly, I love love, and I love making people feel loved. If I can make somebody smile today, it puts a smile on my face.
Yeah, I'm sure it's a Facebook one. Don't smile.
I hope so.
Because messages are mean, dear.
Hey, you're listening.
Efia Odo way from Priscilla, my friend, she's so pretty. Camera no cry. Welcome to me.
Oh my God!
You people, wait till you see her in real life.
Thank you so much.
Enoch, I see. Hey, Efia Odo.
Hey,
Efia Odo day. What has she done? Nesaki, the DJ is watching her in a comfortable lead.
Yes, very comfortable.
Efia Diamond, I love Efia Odo.
I love you too, Diamond.
And she's fluent in English. And when it comes to tree, she's also good in tree.
Oh yes,
because what can tree be brave?
But I want to say, and to me, deep. Me call you even that. I say, baby, I'm to me tree because their tree is like PhD tree. And what do? Me tree is secondary tree.
But so yeah, dear.
Oh yes, me yeah, dear, because on some them about on me care tree. So because my little sister don't me tree.
But I'm more try so.
Oh, I want to more about I want to make a tree. I want to make cry. Don't try.
Oh, Sister Lydia Tampa. Or say I love her so bad. Oh, this is nice.
I love you too, Sister Lydia.
Collins Papaya, hey, Papaya. I say she has a very good personality.
Thank you.
Oh, Kobina Deborah Isian. Odo Papa B.
No.
Odo Papa B. Miss Nancy. Hey, okay. Gabrielle, Efia Odo, you are looking fresh.
Thank you.
Queen Lizzie, she's pretty.
Thank you.
More of I saw a show in Maryland once. Sound.
Really? Oh, Eva, maybe I was shooting that show, my reality show. I'm sure I don't know.
I'm sure. Akosia Brago, she's my role model.
Thank you, I guess. That role model, I tied on the I'm sure.
And can maybe say, how do you feel? So because you're a role model.
It puts pressure on me
to do better.
But then it's like I have to live my life. You know, if somebody wants to be my role model, onfa me free spirit no, me njaji nipa. Onfa sa odona me de woman nipa no, enfanye the role model no. But so me now person dress like me and behave like me. Me tax na me I can handle it. So how won't me handle? What you say? And depression is real. Some people who get bullied on social media, they commit suicide every day. Into me person ko dem me na be bully now.
I do ye.
I don't want that. But the love I have for people, my compassion, my altruism, you can take those things and take it for yourself. My confidence. Media, I really want to promote confidence. Like, I feel like a lot of our ladies, they're not too confident with themselves. I'm most sure they're afraid to be judged and whatnot. But be yourself. Me loving myself, it took a while for me to really love myself and understand what loving myself means. So be yourself, love yourself, and do what makes you happy without hurting others.
Into what person Efia Odo your role model no?
Facade no.
Or see, Ebia now they want to mention bullying, cyberbullying, because it's a lot in the industry. Ebia now they walk account no do and so ko any man say oye. But obet me afan the free spirit, say those she don't know how she shares love, how she's always smiling, no positive side, no. But me afan what I say. And yes, sorry, as to be a role model. You don't even know the person. What is a role model? How? Who's your role model?
Beyonce.
I said you were waiting for me to ask you the question.
Show me phone. Beyonce me screensaver.
Sir.
Yes. When she was 20, I think 3. Hey, messages. That's Beyonce.
I know that's so no.
And Jay-Z, she was wearing Marco That time she was dating Jay-Z very young and early.
And what they teach you?
Yes, 21. They've been together for 20 something years. Yeah, when she was very young.
Into so bad probably or born you now so because of your role model.
Oh, I don't know. No. I love her for who she is. I know what she does. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
But some day to be an artist, I wouldn't mind. Like, it is what it is. Because I've dated an artist before, and it was cool. But yeah.
You mean shout. Shatabili question now busano me misano. Ushani in person no busano.
What is it?
Me bisao.
Oh, busa. Me I don't mind.
Osei, you like moving from one artist to the other, especially to make artists.
But for the can you?
So what I say? Shatabili, construct your sentence again.
It's a perception that a lot of some of the media outlets put out. I'm saying, Kofofi said, sorry to say this on air, like Amayasha, that I sleep around for money, that I sleep around with a lot of guys. And it's not even true. Me, I love being friends with guys. That's just how I am. My best friends are guys. Me met me be my Adam Pem. So me person me know that me know that. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm not even the sexual kind of person. I don't like sex like that. I've been celibate since April till now.
Hey.
Because I'm not in a relationship. My ex and I broke up last year December, but then obviously we were still sleeping around with each other because I didn't want to be with somebody new. But from April to now, I've been celibate. I'm not that sexual person.
Well, I want to celebrate as no. Or find a home can will be at that.
For those few months, yes.
But for mood, I'm interested or Hannah be Montiasi. Obobi also that cause say if you do you have kaba and select?
I mean
you don't have.
It will be like African print, African wear.
I kaba like
kaba
top on a katawa hanu and it's select and it's from.
It's too like old. I have a modernized one. Kaba and sit is too like in penny for. Me more modernized kaba and sleeves. Oh, my if you're mabashe.
I am going to be who say or cabinet slit. Collins Papa could see or so who or Baba shop or Maryland now they now
oh yes
David and
yes, that's true. My African love, my reality show, my African love, Kobe Maxwell, the producer, yeah, and that David, I find the chairman. Onua, he invested in it. Yes, it's true. Went to the barber shop. I even took pictures. It's true.
Or for say no credit, or can you know credit?
I'm a black shirt and blue shorts.
Or find Efia Odo say no credit. Efia Odo. Advice Ben or the Bema and cry. Upcoming ones.
The advice I would give for the upcoming children is to take your education serious. Honestly, if you're not educated, you will always be led astray. So take education serious and also put God first in everything you do. If you love God, you wouldn't want to hurt people. If you love God, you always have a pure mind, pure heart, and you always be blessed. I always say, Sam, the way I'm blessed in my life, babes, is because of the love I have for God and the compassion that I have and God and the heart that I have. Honestly, having a pure heart and a pure mind, it takes you very far. No matter what the devil does, it will not touch you. There's so many traps that have been set for me, but I'm still here today, and I'm even moving forward in my life. You would think, say, if you don't know, yeah, it's because of the good heart that I have. Do you get what I'm saying? So put God first in everything you do and take your spiritual life serious. Me, I pray, I fast. The beginning of the year, I've been fasting from 1st of January. Last year, I fasted for the whole of January. Take God serious, take your education serious, and also love. We don't have love for each other. Honestly. And we don't have love for each other. So we need to learn to love each other more. The way you treat yourself, not even, because some people don't even love themselves. But always treat people good. That's all I can say.
Thank you so much. And no final words, my boy.
And also, please keep staying tuned in my music. My music, and then I'm bringing fire. People might think I'm joking, but it's not a joke thing I'm doing. Get into the bag.
Also, because Bianca said because maybe it's serious.
Really, you take it serious?
Yes.
Really. So what made you see that I was actually being serious? Maybe I'm interviewing you.
When you say we will be our pagro, but so passion at the tonium Ebia na o for ebia or leisure time. But the moment I'll be rush studio, how about recording bibino and you're gonna because also in Kodia grow studio.
Exactly.
Into me say gonna undia you are being serious.
You're right.
To me there you are being serious.
Thank you so much. So yes, and you keep supporting me. My song is I'll Get Into the Bag is out. It's out on all platforms, Spotify, iTunes, Audio Mac, and then just stay tuned. I have a lot of new things I'm gonna bring into the industry. What I'm doing, nobody is doing in this country.
What I say? Into Efia Odo and the ball common then you do Spotify. What I was if you don't serious. And then Spotify.
iTunes now on my Audio Mac.
I'm moody. The conversation is lively as always, but it's lively more because I Efia Odo. So what I say, she brought love to the studio. I had her say Onua 95.1 FM. The finest radio presenter, finest sports personality, sports journalist for idea of the year. My name is producer Nana Kwame Jan, GH Boy, Robert, Parker C, Don Rich, and I did you media Ibrahim. Please, you're saying I'm in a Casimir watch, and I best share you. No, for Papaya or Maryland, me child baby, a fear diamond, or be management will be out. Madame Bebre, Master Man News for na Bremo News, current news. Ne sent to the Tiafonia do for Munina, Mombabai.
GH Boy.